Hey, this is Pretty Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the beautiful Antigua and I wanted to show you something a little bit out of the ordinary. I want to show you my 6 favorite items that can fit inside of a Ziploc bag. I use these for travel. I use these for whenever I'm going outside. I use these for whenever I need something really, really small to bring with me, and that works for me, and it's just like bringing me back home without costing so much space. So let's get to it. So the first thing and the largest thing I want to show you guys is my Tone Tan Strathmore sketchbook. This is Tone Tan paper. It's pretty thick. It also takes ink very, very well. And I use this in conjunction with my ink brush pen. This has a little ink barrel on the inside, and you're able to take this, squeeze it out, and you can make marks such as this. So I use this if I wanted to do something a little more painterly, and I will also use this for when I want to do a little bit of brush work as well. You can see that the brush has a lot of fun marks that you can make. And I'm going to leave all of these in the description below, so if you guys want to check it out, please check that out. The next thing I want to show you guys is my very tiny 4x4 inch Field Artist sketchbook. This is actually a little bit different because it's a watercolor sketchbook, and I'm able to create things such as this. It has a hot press and a cold press side, so this is it has a little bit of texture, and this has a lot more texture. They both take watercolor very, very well. It can warp while it's still wet, however, when it dries, it becomes nice and flat. I love bringing this out with me. I also love the fact that you can have a tassel right here, so you can put it right in between the pages, so you can't forget where you left off. And also, this little part here, this little elastic string, pop it right in, and you save a ton of space. Let's go to the next one. So in conjunction with that watercolor book, I also love to use a water brush. This is a Pentel water brush, and these go for about $6 in your local art store, roughly. And I have mine in fine, so I'm able to take this, squeeze the water out, and there you go. I'm able to take this and paint right on my surface without any need for bringing water. Now, if I do happen to bring water and I have an extra water bottle with me, I also have this little collapsible water cup. It's from Faber-Castell. I got mine off of Amazon, so I'll send you guys the link below. So here's the fun part. I take this little guy with me. I can use it as a small little water dish, or pop it right out, and I can have a lot more water where it came from. Think of it as a flower pot for your paints. Oh, but then there's more. Set it down. They have these little grooves on the edges, and you can leave your pens and your brushes right on top. Perfect space saver. And last but not least, my absolute favorite itty bitty tiny watercolor palette. It has a little ring on the bottom, so when you're painting, you can slip your finger in and you can almost have hands-off access. And then my favorite part, open it up. You have these two large tins for mixing. Open it up once more. You have smaller tins right here, about 4 smaller tins. I also use this little area to mix. And it also comes with these tiny little paint palettes as well. I put in my core watercolors, which I swear by, and I put in a little bit of watercolor paper so I can tell which is which color. And it dries perfectly. So that is all I have for you today, guys. These are my tried and true, cannot leave home without these watercolor and artist items, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this vacation. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Have a pretty kitty kind of day, and take care.